we're back. This is part 2. Food review, first time ever again. We got chili. We got fucking chili. I threw some cheese in there too, so it's like nice and melty.
Ooh, okay.
And right now we're reviewing the sweet Southern Heat barbecue lays.
Dipping that in there?
Yep. Going in.
Let's see what you got.
Oh my god, my chip is about to break. Alright. Sandwich again.
Ooh. Okay. How's that? Tastes like a wild bumblebee?
I guess. Yeah. Damn. I don't know what that tastes like. It's just like it's like chili, but it has like a heat. It's like spicy, like chili kind of, with like a hint of like barbecue and heat. It's pretty much like all it is, but it's fucking delicious. Third, Cheetos crunchy.
Dipping in
chili, you know.
That's what she said.
Going in. That was like an explosion of like cheesy like goodness in your mouth.
Out of 10, what would you rate them? What'd you rate
Fuck. 10 out of 10.
You want to try those again?
We're back. This is part 3.
Part 3.
And I think this is gonna be probably the best one. We got the double crunch ruffles, zesty cheddar. And we're back with the chili. Test review, food review, whatever. Zoom in. Double the crunch.
Shit, you gotta fucking hold the bag. Fuck.
Double crunchy zesty.
Yep.
Zesty sauce.
And we're back with part 3, the food review. We got the chili, and we're testing chips dipped in the chili. Right now I'm testing the zesty cheddar, double crunch ruffles, double the crunch, you know. Zesty cheddar. Zoom in. Yeah, zoom in. Here, let me open it. Let me open it up.
Ooh, perfect.
There you go.
Perfect. Nice and wide.
Yep.
Perfect. All right.
Okay. All right. Triple decker. Here we go. Boom.
Ooh. Look at that ratio.
Boom. Break a chip. And bam.
Ooh.
It's gonna be messy. Oh god.
Ooh, mouthful.
I think I did too much chili. But still bomb. Definitely not a good ratio of chip and chili. Fuck. You know? But that's the test review.
Right, what would you rate those 3? You got the Cheetos, the crunchy.
I think I might have to go in for another
Oh, you want to go? Okay.
you know.
You
I
called
gotta-
that ratio.
Yeah, that fucked it up, you know. We're gonna fuck that chip. Put that chip to the side. We're gonna do the sandwich. I think the triple decker was a little too much, you know. The sandwich.
It was a mouthful.
That was perfect. Probably 9 out of 10.
Out
Yeah.
of 10.
Zesty cheddar,
Alright.
double crunch, you know.
9 out of 10.
These ones,
What's it?
sweet, the sweet Southern Heat barbecue. Fuck, that's probably, damn, those are actually probably the same. Probably 9.
Both 9 out of 10?
Yep. Those are both really good.
Alright.
Last, we got the Cheetos Crunchy. You know, they're not compared to these ones. Probably like a 7 out of 10.
Here, let me zoom in. What is that?
Cheetos Crunchy.
Tight. Okay.
Probably like a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Yep. So the winners are probably the double crunch and the sweet Southern Heat barbecue.
Tied winners?
Yeah.
It's never happened. That's a first in the food review.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Well, alright. See you guys next Sunday for the next food review.